Hey folks, Dustin Troyan here. I'm here with Scott Stanley, Brad Lewis, two guys I've known forever, love both of them. And Brad said I wanted a Porsche. I said, well, let me call Scott. We sat down and what happened?
Oh, we ordered a car, but beyond that, how long did it take us? Like 45 minutes to get everything exactly right? And then check, and then go back and check.
It went 7 months to get the car.
And now I'm all Porsche.
All Porsche. Had the car for, what, 90 days? It's got 8,000 miles on it already. Been driving the heck out of it.
So 8,000 miles, you've had it for 90 days, and I see pictures of you driving everywhere.
I do.
Now tell me about your experience, your dealer experience at Porsche Woodland Hills with Scott and the team.
Hands down, the best experience I've ever had buying a car, period. Ever. Doesn't matter what it is. It was fantastic.
Love it.
From the day we started to the day we finished. Even going back just to do service and stuff has been fantastic.
Love it.
The whole crew is really good.
And then you've brought friends in that have bought cars because of that experience.
Yep.
Couple right behind us.
Love it.
Yep.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
I love it.
All good.
So here's the thing. I know a lot of people in the car world, a lot of people, and in my opinion, he's the best at what he does. You're the best at what you do in your line of work. You put two amazing people together, and it's just poetry. Poetry. So that's what we do out here, folks.
A little credit for all of this, Dustin.
Oh, I don't need
20 years ago in a donut shop.
The only reason Supercar Sunday is at Pierce College, and this is a true story. It's a big investment to be here, a tremendous investment actually, is because Scott said yes, we got to do this for the community, which is the same sentiment that Howard Keyes and Howard Tenenbaum had, and they understand how important Supercar Sunday and events like this are to bring people together, to bring happiness, joy, sharing, and today, Porsche passion and friendship.
Yep. Converted.
And you've had fast cars, Brad.
Oh, he's had a lot of cars.
You've had,
A lot
yeah.
of cool cars.
Brad's had some really fast cars. And this is your favorite?
By far.
By far.
Yeah, by far.
Love it. All right, Supercar Sundays, ladies and gentlemen. You need something, let me know. We'll go sit down with Scott. We'll get you your car, and the Porsches keep coming in.